Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Scarlett 212 Studio by Focusrite. Basically I bought this package because I wanted to do more recording of my guitar and vocals in the house, just in a room, and I was sort of looking at a few different things. But anyway, let's get into it. Opening up the box, foam on top, just for a bit of added protection. Instructions. Important safety instructions. Read these instructions. I'll read them later. First, dongle there. That'll be to attach your microphone to any tripod. Ability to tighten it there. Bit of wobble. That should tighten into the mic and then not have any noise from there. Looks like a standard thread for your tripod. The headphones, they seem to snap together nicely once you pull them out of the box. Now, I was led to believe this has an adapter. It's threaded. Yes, it does. So it should give more capabilities there for that. Looks like a solid connector. It feels nice and solid when you screw it back together. Looks like I'm going to have to snap this off. Not really any pretty way to do this. Bit of a fight. There we go. Some plastic covering that. Left and right. Noted the cable's hanging down from the left side, if that makes any difference to anyone. Try them on. Sorry you won't have a view. First impressions, yeah, fairly comfortable. Obviously not the most comfortable headphones I've worn before, but obviously good enough for listening to playback and recording and things like that. Microphone. Feels pretty solid. Standard connection on the bottom there, XLR. Looks nice, but obviously it's more about how it performs than looks. But if you're looking to pair it up with some other things that look similar, then yeah, it's going to probably go quite well with that. And looking back to the connection we had before, threaded way would go there, so you can use it to screw it into. Yeah, and obviously that's nice and tight now, so not any sort of that wiggling or other sounds we thought you might get once that's screwed in place, which is good. Now I have to put that somewhere off to the side. And the piece de resistance, I guess, or before that, just a couple of cables, XLR cable, female to male. Looks standard, so if you've already got one then you probably won't need this. Nice little strap to keep it tied up with. I think it's 3 meters, might be 2 meters, maybe 2 meters. Not too sure about that. Have to look at the specs online. Now that's the connector for the back of the audio interface rather. I've noticed the Gen 3, it does look like it upgrades to a USB-C, where it used to be a other USB connection type, but annoyingly it still gives the standard USB connector for the computer side. So me having a newer MacBook Pro, I need a USB-C to USB-C, which I think I have a GoPro one hanging around somewhere, so I'll probably look to use that and I'll see if it works. The final thing, audio interface. Everything's fairly well packaged. Mic and audio interface have got the silica gel satchels in them, just to limit moisture and things like that. Feels very nice to hold, quite solid. First impressions, the volumes, dials, they feel quite responsive. You should be able to get a lot of accuracies with those. All the buttons click on, click off, but obviously won't be powered until you plug it in. On the back, got the Kensington lock. Don't know too much about that, but I understand it's a locking mechanism for a lot of audio equipment. USB-C, USB connection, then your line outputs left and right for monitors. Pretty simple, but has everything I'll need for what I'm looking to do. I will look to start uploading more music videos and things like that, and you'll be able to hear the quality of it, as everything I'll be doing, or most things I'll be doing, will be using this system and the setup. Tray lifts out, nothing in there. Thanks for watching.